Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy evening mom. Today's current affairs. International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression is observed every year on which date to raise about children who have suffered physical, mental and emotional abuse. That is on June 4th mom. June 4th been observed as International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression. Wes Unseld, who passed away recently, was a famous basketball player. Facebook is all set to acquire how much percent stake in Geo platforms via Jadu Holdings? It's a 9.9%. 9.9%. Facebook headquarters, Menlo Park, California, United States. CEO Mark Zuckerberg. Name the government scheme launched by the central government to provide for jobs to returning Indians from abroad. It is Swadesh. The government has launched a new initiative, Swadesh. What is that Swadesh, ma'am? Skilled Workers Arrival Database for Employment Support. It is Skilled Workers Arrival Database for Employment Support. To conduct a skill mapping exercise and provide employment opportunities to the returning citizens under the Vande Bharat mission. Chief Minister of Telangana has inaugurated which of the following reservoirs to provide for water flow to the surrounding districts of Medak, Siddipet, Sangareddy, Yadadri Bongir and Medchal Malkasgiri, which did not have irrigation facilities till now. So it is Konda Pochamma Sagar Reservoir. Konda Pochamma Sagar Reservoir. Telangana capital Hyderabad, Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, Governor Tamilisai Soundararajan. Who has taken over as the President of Confederation of Indian Industry? Confederation of Indian Industry, CII. So it is Uday Kotak has been taken over as the President. CII headquarters in New Delhi, President Uday Kotak, Vice President Sanjeev Bajaj. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Twitter? It is Patrick Pichetti, headquarters Twitter, San Francisco, California, United States. CEO Jack Dorsey. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of BAFTA? It is British Academy of Film and Television Arts. We call it as BAFTA Awards, BAFTA TV Awards. British Academy of Film and Television Arts. So who has been appointed as the new chairperson? It is none other than Krishnendu Majumdar. Krishnendu Majumdar. Who has taken over as chairman and managing director of the National Fertilizers Limited. National Fertilizers Limited, VN Dutt. VN Dutt. So headquarters Noida. Which country has collaborated with NASA to support human missions to Moon, Mars and beyond? It is none other than South Africa. NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, headquarters Washington, United States. Administrator Jim Bridenstine. And SANSA, it is a South African National Space Agency. SANSA, remember, South African National Space Agency. Headquarters Gauteng, South Africa. CEO Valanathan Munsami. Facebook has signed a deal with which music label to bolster the library of its music products across its flagship social networking platform and Instagram. It is Saregama. Saregama. The free internet project of which of the following state is all set to be commissioned in December? None other than Kerala. Kerala capital Thiruvananthapuram. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. Governor Arif Muhammad Khan. The central government has amended the Essential Commodities Act, cereals for farmers to sell their produce outside the state. When was this act enacted? It is in 1955. Which bank has launched a mobile app based facility to open current accounts for self-employed individuals and businesses digitally within a few hours. It is IndusInd ma. IndusInd Bank headquarters Pune, CEO Sumant Katpalia. Tagline: We make you feel richer. Nitin Gadkari has announced the development of a new greenfield expressway to which city and will be made completely signal free. It is Amritsar. Which bank has partnered with the TCIL, that is a Transport Corporation of India Limited, for real-time payments to truck drivers? DBS Bank headquarters Singapore, Chief Executive Officer and Director Piyush Gupta. Transport Corporation of India Limited, Corporate Office Gurgaon, Haryana or Gurugram, Haryana. Chairman and MD DP Agarwal. The government has launched a electronics manufacturing scheme 2.0 with an outlay of how many crores ma? 50,000 crores to promote production not just for the domestic market but also for exports. So Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Cabinet Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad, Constituency Patna Sahib, Minister of State Sanjay Shamrao Dhotre, Secretary Ajay Prakash Sane. The Union Cabinet has approved an MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, with which country cooperation in the areas of environment. That is none other than Bhutan. Bhutan capital Thimphu, currency Bhutanese Gultram, Prime Minister Lotte Shering, who has been appointed as the next High Commissioner of India to the independent state of Papua New Guinea. It is Sushil Kumar Singhal. Papua New Guinea, capital Port Moresby, currency Papua New Guinean Kina. Papua New Guinean Kina. Which of the following company has been recognized as IT Service Provider of the Year 2020 by Everest Group? So it is IT Service Provider of the Year 2020, none other than USD Global. USD Global headquarters Aliso Vejo, California, United States. CEO Krishna Sudhindra. DPIIT has revised the public procurement order to encourage Make in India initiative. It has prescribed a minimum of how many percent? It is 60% in 2021 for local chemicals and petrochemicals contents in public procurement. So prescribed a minimum of how much percent? 60%. So Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, that is what DPIIT. So Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade is a central government department under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Headquarters New Delhi, founded on 1995. Secretary Guru Prasad Mohapatra. Which bank has created a separate business vertical for financial inclusion and micro markets in semi-urban and rural areas? It is none other than SBI. SBI headquarters Mumbai, Chairperson Rajnish Kumar. Tagline: the banker to every Indian. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.